In this video, I'll be showing you how you can list your products or sell your products on Facebook Markets. It's very much simple and easy. To do that, let's just open our Facebook like this, and you can see the market button here. Just tap on that there, and on here what you need to do is you tap on the button there too as well, and here you can see create new listing. Just tap on that to create a new listing, and you give every necessary information and you publish it. So now let's try adding an image. So let's upload it from this mobile. So we have an image selected. This is for tutorial, and now let's try add something. We select the category. Let's say it's a 2. Yeah, and the condition, let's say you select any of them. Here you can scroll here and see new. If it's used and it's fair, good, you just select something like this. You add the brand if it has a brand, something like that. Let's do it HTech, and now you can add the pricing here. You get it. You add a price there, you add the location, you add the description. If you want to list it at a single item, let's say you have only that item, you can list that. If you have a lot of it, like bulk in your repository, you can just tap on this and then list it in stock. So it's going to be like plenty, something like that. And then if you offer shipping, you just turn this on, and you can also choose to hide your listing from your friends, or you can make it available to your friends on Facebook. And now you tap on the publish, and then you publish it. Very much simple. So that's it on how you create a listing or you sell on Facebook Market. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.